Welcome back my YouTube channel Old Coin Z Collection today. We're going to talk about one of the most astonishing coins you might have in your collection. The 1972 1-cent coin that could be worth an incredible $5 million. You heard that right. A 1972 1-cent coin, also known as a penny, could potentially fetch a whopping $5 million. But how is that even possible? Isn't a regular 1972 penny just worth, well, 1 cent? Stick with me as we unravel the mystery behind this extremely rare coin. In full details, country, United States of America 1972 currency, United States dollar coin type circulation, coins denomination, 1 cent year, 1972 subject Lincoln cent composition, copper zinc edge type, smooth shape, round alignment coin, 180 degrees. Weight G, 3.11 diameter, mm. 19 thickness, mm. 1.3. Let's start with the basics. The 1972 penny is an ordinary coin in terms of design. It features Abraham Lincoln on the obverse, designed by Victor David Brenner, and the Lincoln Memorial on the reverse. So, where's the value coming from to understand why a 1972 penny could be worth millions? We need to take a quick look back at history. The U.S. Mint struck billions of pennies during the 1970s, including 1972. But, like any great treasure hunt, most of the coins that were produced were nothing extraordinary. In fact, most were standard copper pennies. But here's the twist. Minting errors happen all the time, and some of these errors lead to pennies that are much more valuable than their face value. In 1972, a particularly rare error occurred that caused certain pennies to become highly sought after by collectors. Let's dive into the first and most famous error, the 1972 double die penny. This error happens when the die used to strike the coin is misaligned during the minting process, causing the image to be imprinted multiple times in slightly different positions than on these 1972 pennies. You'll notice that the inscriptions, such as Liberty and In God We Trust, appear to be doubled. This error is subtle, but if you look closely, the faint second set of letters and numbers is visible. These double die coins are extremely rare and are considered one of the most significant errors in U.S. coin history. See the difference? The doubling is especially visible on the letters of Liberty. If you find one of these in your collection or in your pocket change, you could be holding a piece of numismatic history that's worth far more than just 1 cent. So, how much is a 1972 double die penny really worth? Well, the price can vary greatly depending on its condition. A typical one in poor condition might sell for a few $100s, but the rare high-grade specimens have fetched astronomical prices. Some 1972 pennies with this error, in mint condition, have sold for over $5 million at auction. Yes, you heard that right, $5 million. This is one of the most valuable and sought-after coins in the world. Now, you might be wondering, how can you spot one of these rare pennies in your own collection or in pocket change? Here's how you can identify a 1972 double die penny. Look at the date, 1972, closely. In a true double die penny, the numbers will appear slightly shifted and doubled. The same goes for the word Liberty and In God We Trust. In a genuine double die, the doubling will appear on both sides of the letters. This is the giveaway you need to look for. Remember, the doubled features will not be blurry or unclear. They should be crisp and distinct, although they will appear slightly offset. Make sure to check both the obverse and reverse sides to spot the error. While the 1972 double die penny is the most famous, there are other variations of the 1972 penny that can also be valuable. For example, some 1972 pennies were struck on the wrong planchet, leading to a slight difference in their composition and weight. Additionally, some 1972 pennies have minor die cracks or are off-center. These aren't as valuable as the double die error, but they can still fetch a premium depending on their rarity and condition. So, whether you're a seasoned coin collector or someone who's just beginning to explore the world of numismatics, always remember, it's not just about the year and the mint mark. Sometimes it's about the unexpected errors and rare finds that make a coin truly valuable. Now that you know about the incredible 1972 1-cent penny worth up to $5 million, go ahead and check your collections. You never know. Your next find could make you a millionaire. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe my YouTube channel Old Coinsy Collection.